We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Fidget Pen by Gadget, a magnetic, multifunctional writing tool and fidget toy that has taken the market by storm. If you own this product, we'd love for you to leave your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Now, let's dive into what users love and dislike about this unique gadget. The Fidget Pen is described as a cool and deformable pen that combines functionality with creativity. It's not just a pen, but also a fidget toy designed to alleviate stress and anxiety. Users rave about its ability to transform into various shapes such as swords, robots, and monsters, making it an entertaining tool for passing the time. It's also a practical writing instrument that doubles as a stylus for smartphones and tablets. This dual-purpose design has made it a popular gift for teenagers, professionals, and anyone who enjoys innovative gadgets. One of the standout features of this pen is its magnetic construction. The magnets allow users to assemble and disassemble it into different configurations, offering endless possibilities for creative play. Many reviewers highlight how satisfying it is to fidget with the pen while working or studying. For individuals with anxiety or ADHD, this pen serves as a helpful tool for managing restlessness and staying focused. The strong magnets ensure that the pen stays together during use, although some users caution that the magnets are fragile and can break if dropped. The design of the Fidget Pen also receives praise for its aesthetic appeal. The iridescent color option is particularly popular, with users describing it as eye-catching and unique. The pen's lightweight construction makes it easy to carry around, and its compact size fits comfortably in pockets or bags. However, there are mixed opinions about its durability. While many users find it sturdy enough for regular use, others report issues with parts breaking or paint chipping off over time. In terms of usability, the Fidget Pen excels as both a writing tool and a stress relief device. The ink is described as thin and smooth when it flows properly, but some users note that the pen occasionally requires shaking or scribbling to get the ink running. This inconsistency can be frustrating for those who rely on it as their primary writing instrument. On the other hand, the stylus tip works well on touchscreens, adding another layer of functionality to this versatile gadget. The Fidget Pen has been well received as a gift item for various age groups. Parents have reported that their children love playing with it, while adults appreciate its practicality and stress relief benefits. It has been particularly popular among teenagers and young adults who enjoy unique gadgets that stand out from traditional gifts. One reviewer mentioned gifting it to their 16-year-old daughter, who was so captivated by it on Christmas morning that she focused on nothing else throughout the day. Another reviewer noted that their adult son also enjoyed using the pen as both a toy and a functional tool. Despite its many positive attributes, the Fidget Pen is not without its drawbacks. Some users have expressed disappointment with uneven pieces or paint that chips off easily. Additionally, there are concerns about the fragility of the magnetic parts, which can break during assembly or regular use. These issues may deter some potential buyers who prioritize durability in their purchases. Overall, the Fidget Pen by Gadget offers a unique combination of creativity, functionality, and stress relief. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a fun and practical gadget that doubles as a conversation starter. While there are some minor flaws in its design and durability, most users agree that its benefits outweigh these drawbacks. Whether you're shopping for yourself or looking for a gift that will impress even the hardest to please recipients, this pen is worth considering. If you're intrigued by this product and want to learn more or make a purchase, be sure to check out the link in the description to support our channel. And if you already own this pen, don't forget to leave your review in the comments section below to help others decide if it's right for them.